Okay, Caveman expected complete nonsense when tribes send tiny Bitcoin miner from Amazon. But honestly, this thing kind of fascinating. So this little box called a Bitcoin lottery miner. Important word here, lottery. This not giant warehouse machine making thousands of dollars while melting power grid. This basically tiny home gadget giving you small chances to mine actual Bitcoin. Human turned gambling into computer hobby. Caveman impressed and concerned at the same time. Setup actually simple. USB-C power, Wi-Fi connection, little LCD display done. No giant fans, no screaming heat monster, no industrial warehouse noise making cave walls shake at 3 a.m. And honestly, that already make this more approachable than most crypto hardware. Now, let Caveman be clear. You're probably not getting rich from this thing. If tried by this expecting Lamborghini by Friday, brain already overcooked by crypto TikTok. But as a desk gadget, conversation piece, fun little Bitcoin experiment, it's actually pretty cool. The screen shows mining activity in real time, and the whole 144 mining attempts per day thing makes it weirdly addictive. Human love watching number go up. Same reason tribes stare at microwave countdown like ancient ritual. What caveman respect most is simplicity. Most crypto gadget overcomplicated nonsense made for dudes with 6 monitors and sleep deprivation. This one feels more casual. Plug it in and let it run. Now, downside, price a little high for what basically a hobby gadget. And again, odds of mining full Bitcoin block insanely tiny. Smaller than Caveman, finding parking spot at Costco on Sunday. But honestly, product never pretended to be magic money printer. That already more honest than half internet. So verdict? If tribe into crypto and want fun little mining gadget for desk setup, this actually solid. Not life-changing, not useless either. Weirdly enjoyable middle ground. Caveman, leave Amazon link below if tribe want to check it out. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Before humans invent toaster that mine Ethereum too.